Isang ad na tulad nitong pinanonood ninyo ang nagbigay sa akin ng pagkakataon para mabago ang takbo ng aking buhay. Kaya hinihiling ko po sa inyo, bigyan niyo po ako ng ilang minuto para panoorin ang ad na ito. Ako po ay si Eden, Tubong Bicol, Philippines. Now resides in Florida, USA. Isa pong retiradong nurse. Hindi po ako madaling naniwala. Malaki po ang aking pagdududa. Tulad ng marami sa atin, marami po akong katanungan. Paano kung ito ay scam? I can't afford to lose. On the other hand, mas malaki po ang aking ambisyon kumpara sa pagdududa. Ano kaya kung may katotohanan ng kanyang sinasabi? Sabi ko sa sarili ko, paano mo mapapatunayan kung di mo susubukan? I registered and watched the 90-minute preliminary introduction to the business. Inuulit-ulit ko pong panoorin ang video na natanggap ko. Dito po unti-unting luminaw sa akin ang sistema ng isang flexible at portable business that I could run from home or even while traveling. This online business runs on automation. There is no need for you to knock on doors selling products. No stocking, no shipping, no returns, at no inventories. Therefore, even when you're away, having a wonderful time with your family, or simply just relaxing, your business runs 24/7. Higit sa lahat, napunduhan ko po ang pagtulong sa mga disadvantaged children to continue higher education. Napakalaki po ng naitulong both in my personal and financial growth. Hindi ko po akalain na meron pang ibang avenue na di ko pa na-explore. I became a member of a community na nagbigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob. Regardless of my technical difficulty, I can be successful despite my limitation. So friends and families from all walks of life, wherever you are globally, pag-isipan po ninyo. This could be the change that you've been waiting for yourself and your family. Kayo po, ano po ang inyong why? Whether you are retired like myself or still employed but needs a side hustle that pays more than your career job, take exotic vacations that you can only dream of, renovate or own a new home, buy a new car, build a nest egg, save your spot and register without obligation. Registration will allow you access to an informational video. This could be one of the most important decisions you could ever make. Thank you for taking your time to listen. Welcome to, potentially, your door to becoming a successful business owner yourself. Press the button below and register for a life-changing experience. You will not regret it. Thank you.